KLTO stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm gonna be answering, I'll pretty much answer everything around this in this 1 minute video. As I'm looking at Klotho Neurosciences stock, it's actually so nice, 7% up. So nice because I'm not gonna trade it, and I'm trying to be perfectly honest here. I'm trying to be kind of not nice. As the only person in the space with 41,000 videos made like this over 5 years, I have practically seen what's actually working and making me money. Environments like this, not necessarily. Now I know you could be saying, but what if it's like such a steal now, and what it just pumps up and has like a short squeeze and I make a lot of money, like 10x? Yeah, sure, that can be a possibility, but for the most recent freaking data and idea that I have is that more like than not, we're just about to freaking go take the lows out. Now, only sell if the rules are met, but like, do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice, and I'm just sticking to my edge that I've tested for 41,000 videos. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.